Hi guys, welcome back to high yield intraday trading. So as stated in my previous video, today I'm going to discuss various filters for different trading opportunities. All right. So when I say trading opportunity, it's either a buying opportunity or a selling opportunity. Well, actually I thought of making different videos for different situations, but it seems like you guys are really picking up fast. So as per the feedbacks that I got via the emails and the comments that I got, I thought of wrapping up all the filtering strategies in a single video. Alright, so having that said, as most of you would be knowing, traders make use of various studies and oscillators in order to determine the right trades. Yeah, so the first filter that we are gonna discuss here will also be based on those studies and oscillators. Okay, so let me give you having that said, let me start with the first filtering strategy. All right, let me get on to icharts.in. We go to screener EOD, we get the page, we scroll down, we click on advanced search, and we get this section. All right, let me just remove all these things. All right, just a moment. Get off. All right, so it's clean here. All right, so the first filtering strategy is, let's say that the market is in a bullish run and it's really peaking. All right, so most of the experienced traders look out for stocks to short. That is, they look out for shorting opportunities. Okay, so we will discuss the filters for the shorting opportunity here, but remember and note that you need to apply this filter only when you are sure that the market has gone very bullish and there are maximum chances of it to come down. Okay, now one classic example would be the situation in which Nifty is right now. It has made new highs. In fact, it has made lifetime high, so we have all the chances of it coming down. Maybe a correction for a couple of days and it might go up again, but it has to come down for a couple of days. Okay, so and a result of that, the stocks that we will get out of this filter also have all the chances of coming down. Okay, so getting on to the filter, the first thing which we need to do here is we need to select EMA 20 less than EMA 50. The second filter is EMA 50 less than EMA 200. Average volume should be greater than 5 lakhs, and the last close, where's the last close? Yeah, should be greater than 100. I actually forgot to mention why am I including average volume and last close with the respective numbers, is because when the volume is equals to or greater than 5 lakhs, okay, we can consider that stock to be having a good liquidity. Okay, so we can consider that stock to be giving good moves, as a result of which we can trade and earn money. All right, and the last close should be greater than 100, which means the price of the stock should not be less than 100. And the reason is mostly when the price of the stocks are less than 100, they are operator driven, so we cannot be sure of the movement. It all depends on the operator. If they want, they can take it up. If they want, they can take it down, so it's very volatile. Okay, it's not that the stocks which are more than 100% are not operator driven, but most of the time the stocks which are less than 100 rupees are operator driven. So that is the reason why we have these numbers here. Okay, so this is the filter for the first strategy when we feel that the market is really bullish and is peaking and it has all the chances of coming down for a couple of days. Okay, so this is the filter which you can use. Now moving on to the second filter. Let me again clear all these things. Just a moment. Hold on. I'm sorry about that. All right. Now the second scenario would be based on Bollinger Bands. Okay, those of you who don't know what Bollinger Bands are, I would request you to Google it up. You will get a world of information about Bollinger Bands, how it is being used, what is the exact purpose, and stuffs like that. As per this strategy is concerned, I'm gonna show you the filters which can be used for both shorting and buying opportunity using the Bollinger Bands. Okay, now just to give you a brief about the Bollinger Band actually has two bands. One is the upper band, one is the lower band, and we have a line which stays between these two bands, okay, between the upper and the lower bands. Now when the price when the candle closes above the upper Bollinger Band, it is considered to be oversold. I'm sorry, it is considered to be overbought. Okay, as a result of which we can look out for shorting opportunities. Okay, now similarly, when a candlestick closes below the Bollinger Band, below the lower Bollinger Band, it is considered to be oversold, and that is the exact reason why we will look for buying opportunities. Okay, so having that said, these are the filters which can be applied here. Okay, last close should be greater than Bollinger Band and upper. Okay, average volume should be greater than 5 lakhs, and the last close should be greater than 100. Okay, so this is the filter when we are looking out for a shorting opportunity. All right, now the second filter using the Bollinger Band when we are looking out for buying opportunity is last close should be less than Bollinger Band and lower. Okay, and the rest two, average volume and last close, remains the same. Okay, so these are the two filters which can be used for the shorting and the buying opportunity. Just to make sure that you guys got it, I'll just explain the Bollinger Band theory once again. So in Bollinger Band we have upper band and lower band. If a candlestick closes above the upper Bollinger Band, that particular stock is considered to be overbought, and that is the exact reason why we look out for a shorting opportunity. Similarly, if a particular candle closes below the lower Bollinger Band, it is considered to be oversold, and that is the exact reason why we will look for buying opportunity. Alright, so this covers up the second filtering strategy. Now moving on to the next one. The third one is based on ADX. Okay, ADX is the full form would be average directional index. Okay, let me go ahead and clear these filters once again. Excuse me for this. All right, I'm almost done. All right, so yeah, so moving coming on to the ADX full form is average directional index. Okay, now it is a banded oscillator, guys, but it does not give us a direction. Okay, it does not give us an oversold or overbought scenario. Okay, it rather it tells us when the trend is becoming strong and when the trend is becoming weak. Okay, so normally the ADX has a couple of numbers. You can consider the ADX number to be starting from 20 to 80. Okay, and the experts have divided those numbers into groups. Okay, now what that particular group means, I will explain it right away. Now if the ADX number is below 20, okay, the stock is considered to be in a weak trend or a sideways trend. Okay, this is the first group. The second group is if the ADX number is between 20 and 40, the stock is considered to be a trending stock. The third group is if the ADX number is between 40 and 60, the stock is considered to be strongly trending. Okay, and the fourth and the last group is if the ADX number is above 60, that is something which is considered to be non-sustainable. Okay, when I say non-sustainable, it means that the trend is finishing. We need to look out for the turning point or a high probability turning point. Okay, so this is the grouping that has been made out of the ADX numbers. All right, now coming on to the filters. Okay, the first filter which needs to be done here is last close is greater than 100, average volume is greater than 5 lakhs, ADX, where is ADX? Yeah, ADX is greater than 40 and ADX is less than 60. Now the group in which this particular filter false is 40 to 60, which means we are trying to filter for stocks which are in strong trend, which are strongly trending. Okay, so this is the filter which sums up the third filtering strategy. All right, so this is all I have got for today, guys. So I would request you all to backtest these things first and then apply it in real trading. Okay, and yeah, before I close up, I got a couple of questions as to when to use these filters. I mean, do we use the filters during the market hours, or when exactly do we use it? So note it, guys. These are end of the day details. These are EOD details. Okay, so you don't have to follow it during the market hours. Rather, you need to follow this strategy. This whole strategy helps you in shortlisting the stocks that you think may be potential movers for the next day. Okay, so the summary of this strategy is you don't have to use the filtering during the market hours. Rather, you have to use the filtering before the day when you're gonna trade. You need to shortlist the stocks that you think can give good moves. You can have them included in the trading terminal, and when you get the opportunity, you grab it. All right, so this is what I just wanna pass it on, guys. So yep, that's it for now. Would request you all to like, subscribe, and look forward for my next video. Thank you all for your time. See ya, guys. Bye bye.